Hi everyone, it's Rayla here with a quick Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Eyedropper tool, one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for matching colors, copying styles, and speeding up your workflow. So let's get started. So first you open your project, as I have open now, and you're going to locate the Eyedropper tool. Okay, it's right here. You can click it. And you can also just click the letter I on your keyboard, and that gives you your eyedropper tool as well. And the eyedropper tool is designed to sample colors, gradients, and even text styles. So let's select an object. Let's go to my selection tool. Let's go ahead and select this red star right now. Then click on the eyedropper tool. Okay, and hover over the object with the color you want to match. So there's a few options in this one today. So click on the desired color. Boom, and it's instantly applied to the selected object. Now let's try green. Cool, how about this gray? You can really try. I feel like the options are limitless. You can just tweak things and even pull in colors from other documents and other things, which is wonderful. And I'm going to go back with green. Perfect. The eyedropper tool also works with gradients. So select your object. I think this time I'm going to select this happy, the yellowish color up front. And then you're going to grab the eyedropper tool. Just got it again. And then you're going to select the gradient. The gradient, including its direction, will transfer. And you notice this is a different size and shape, so it just selects a little bit differently than what it looks like here, but you'll see all of the colors within that gradient. And let's try it one more time. Maybe we'll go back. I'm going to Command Z and go back. And let's try that on New Year, since there's not a lot of objects with it. I'm going to grab that eyedropper tool, and then boom, there's the gradient. You can see that actually much better. Then the next step, you can even copy text styles. Did you know that you can do that with the eyedropper tool? First, you select the text box you want to update. So I'm going to come down to 2025 and then use the eyedropper tool and click on that. And then you just click on where you have the desired text. So it'll choose the font color and style, and it will replicate all of it. Boom. That is so cool. I love it. To customize what the eyedropper tool samples, double click on it in the toolbar, and the settings window will appear where you can toggle specific properties like fill color, stroke, transparency, or text attributes. And there you have it. The eyedropper tool in Adobe Illustrator makes matching colors and styles effortless. Whether you're designing logos, illustrations, or layouts, this tool will save you time and keep your designs cohesive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Illustrator tool. See you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.